In this video, I am going to show you how to fix grainy videos in CapCut. So this should be a quick and easy process video now. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So when you want to add your video to the timeline and it's a bit grainy, it has low quality or just a grain on it, as you can see. This is apart from a movie, that's why it's low quality. You can just click on the video and scroll here in the basic tab. As you can see, click on enhance quality if you want. Click on allow. Now it will take some time, and then after that you can also click on reduce image noise and choose strong level or weak level if you want. You can now wait until the effects take place, or you can just scroll down. After that, you can choose remove flickers if your video has flickers on them, and choose the level and mode. Now, when you have done that, just wait for the effects to take place. You can also add retouches if you want to add retouches to your face, body, hair, or body presets. So now if we play the video, you can see the quality is looking good now. So this was an easy and quick process video. I hope this video was helpful. As always, thank you for watching.